Hi, this is Roland from Impress Computers. If you're already using our Zero Trust security program with ThreatLocker, you're benefiting from strong prevention. Only trusted applications run, data access is tightly controlled, and admin privileges are locked down. Today I want to introduce an important optional upgrade you can add to your existing protection, ThreatLocker Detect. ThreatLocker Detect is a policy-driven endpoint detection and response solution, or EDR. In simple terms, it watches what's happening on your devices in real time, looking for anything suspicious, and then reacts instantly. Your current ThreatLocker setup focuses on blocking threats before they run. Detect adds continuous monitoring, alerting, and rapid response. On top of that, behind the scenes, ThreatLocker Detect continuously analyzes telemetry from your endpoints, what apps are doing and what processes are running, looks for behavioral patterns and indicators of compromise, not just known malware signatures, and the moment it sees something that breaks the rules or looks suspicious, it can alert our team and, based on policy, isolate the affected device or stop the malicious process automatically. This means no waiting and no critical time delays, just rapid threat neutralization. By adding ThreatLocker Detect to your Impress Computers security stack, you get real-time alerting when something unusual happens, faster containment if a threat appears on an endpoint, stronger defense in depth combining powerful prevention with active detection and response. It's especially valuable if you handle sensitive data, have compliance requirements, or want extra assurance that if something slips through, it's caught and contained quickly. ThreatLocker Detect is available right now as an optional add-on to your existing ThreatLocker Zero Trust program with Impress Computers. If you'd like to learn more, see a quick demo, or get pricing and rollout details for your environment, contact Impress Computers and we'll walk you through the next steps. Thanks for trusting Impress Computers with your security. With ThreatLocker Detect, we can help you detect and neutralize threats instantly so you can stay focused on running your business.